Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Then go to device preferences. Select device preferences. Under device preferences select about. Under about here we can see factory reset. Select factory reset. So here we should be careful because this operation would delete everything from the TV including videos, images, data, apps, everything. Select factory reset again. So I recommend to take backup of your data from TV before doing the factory reset. You can connect pen drive or hard disk to TV, then take the backup. Select factory reset, then select erase everything. Tap on erase everything. Please wait. So now TV will restart, then it will start erasing the data. See, now it's erasing the data. Please wait. Okay, done. So now it's again restarting. Now it's booting. Please wait. Okay, done. Now reset has been completed. Next we need to start setup from the beginning. Select language, then select skip. Then here we need to select the Wi-Fi network. If you are using mobile hotspot, you can select mobile hotspot from this list. Then we need to enter the Wi-Fi password and connect. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. Let me connect. See, now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, connected to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Here select sign in. Then we need to sign in with the Gmail ID and password. Enter Gmail ID, then select next. Then in the next screen we need to enter password. Enter password here. Okay, I have entered password. Select next. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, here we have to select accept. Select accept. Then select no. Select no. Here we can select continue. Here also select continue. Select no thanks. So here it shows list of apps. I don't want to install any of these apps. Let me unselect all these apps, then select continue. Okay, now we have reached end of this setup. Okay, done. So this way we can do hard reset and set up the TV from the beginning. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.